What's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial. This is part 5 of my clicker tutorial, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but my screen's a lot bigger and it just looks a little different because I got a new computer and I'm really excited about it. And so anyways, things might just look a little bit different, but it's still the same tutorial. I didn't change any of the project. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do now in this tutorial, which is probably going to be the last one, we're going to add and make the upgrades so they actually work. So the first thing we're going to do is make a new variable, and we can call it cash per click, and this is going to be for all sprites. And then we can also make a variable called cash per second, and this is also for all sprites. So what we're going to do is we're going to set cash per click to 1 when the flag is clicked, and we're going to set cash per second to 0. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to where it says find where it changes cash by 1. I don't even know where I put it. Oh, here it is. Change cash by 1, and we can change this to be cash per click. Now let's go and say another one flag clicked and a forever loop, and then we can say forever change cash by cash per second, and then wait 1 second. Okay, now that's pretty much it for this sprite, and you won't see any change when we play it because the upgrades don't actually do anything yet. So, oh, that's cool. It does it when it's not even playing. Anyways, so let's go into the upgrade sprite and make it so that these will work. So let's make a new script under when I start as a clone, and then we can put a forever loop, and then we can say if, and then we can say get the selected background equals clone ID. Where's the other thing? Where's the selected upgrade thing? Wait. Yeah. Selected background equals clone ID. Let's just change this to, oops, cancel. Change this, why does it keep doing that? Sorry. I guess I'll just do this the other way. Change this to selected upgrade equals clone ID, and then we can put this in the if. Then what we're going to do is go over to, then we're going to grab some ifs. So let's do if else, let's just do it. If, well, actually, yeah. Change this to, let's do if, and then we can say, we need a new variable for this sprite only called cost. And then, when I start as a clone, before this we can do a new block, and we can call it setup costs. And we can run without screen refresh, and actually just change it to that. And then we can add an input called clone ID, and then click OK. And then what we can do is before that we can set up the cost, and then we can put in why does it keep doing that? Okay, sorry. Change this to clone ID, and then we can say right here we can do clone ID, and then what we can do is in this setup cost here, we can say we're gonna do is say if else, and then we can say clone ID equals 1, and then we can just set up each cost. So set the cost, where's cost right here, 2, and then we can go into, where's the, is it these? Oh yeah, these descriptions and see it has cost. The first one costs 50, I think. So then we can go back to the upgrades and set cost to 50. And then we can say if else it equals 2. Then we'll set cost to 100. And then if it equals 3, then we'll set the cost to 500. And if it equals 4, then we'll set it to 6.5k, so 6,500. And then if it, if it equals 5, then we can do 150k, so 150,000. And then if it equals 6, if it equals 6, we can do 2 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's a million. Then we can do if it is 7, then we can do. I can't see how much that says. So I can't actually see how much that says. So in the upgrades, what we can do to fix this is say if cost. So wait, actually, yeah. If it is. Oh, and yeah, we can say if it's less than. And that's the. It looks weird. Anyways, if the clone ID is less than 7, why does it keep doing that? Okay, sorry. I'll have to fix that later. I'll just keep recording for now. But sorry about that. Then it will do that. So now, oops, I don't think that was. Okay, that's in the wrong sprite. So. Put this actually in the upgrade. Wait, this is the upgrade details. This is the right sprite. If clone 7 is else, just switch costume to cost. Okay, there. Now you can see it a lot better. Better. Okay, so this one's cost 20 million. Wait a minute, you can touch it like this. So we can actually say it's still gonna. You know what? We can make the. Okay, sorry about that. Let's actually change the check touching to. Wait. Oh yeah, it has to. Does it have to broadcast? I think it does. Wait, broadcast. Okay, then what we're gonna do is, it still has that bug there. Maybe I will fix that in a different video, but it doesn't really matter, because I don't think it'll still happen in full screen. See, it doesn't happen anymore. So there, and also I think it will just not even happen, like I think if you share it, I don't think it'll happen. Okay, so then back to the upgrades anyways. And so this one's cost is 2 million. So we can say, oh yeah, we already did. Oh wait, no wait, that one's 2 million. This one's 20 million. Okay, so this one's so 8. Then just add another 0. Oops, not a minus, a 0. And then I think the last one is number 9. So let me just scroll down then. And yeah, that's the. No, wait, no, is it? Yeah, that's the last one. Wait, no, it's not. Hold up. Let me go into the upgrades here. That's not the last one. There's still another one, so I don't know why the scroll bar isn't going down more. Hold up. So I'm gonna go fix that. And I will be right back after I fix like what the new scroll bar thing should be. So yeah, so I'm back, and the problem, I fixed it. I just made this a little shorter, and then I changed this Y position to be minus 148 and to set it to minus 148, and now you can see all of the upgrades. So now we can do number 9, which is 250 billion. So just add, I think, wait, no, million. So 250, and then let me see. Sorry, it's hard to see. Okay, so that's 250 million, and then the last one is 10, and you can just say if, and then this one is 5 billion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there. Oh, my bad. Actually, there's only 9. So I went back and I actually checked that, and so I actually put 20,000 twice. I mean 2 million twice. So I'm just gonna go change all of these to see 5, 7. So I'm changing 6, and then 7, 8, and there, because there is only 9. So sorry about that. So there, and then what we can do here is, so now we have the costs. What we can do is make them so you can buy them. So let's go and see. So here it says, so let's do if the cash is greater than the cost. So how much this costs, and then if mouse down, and we can actually put, before we finish this, I wanted to do something with the upgrade details. We can do for this, there's gonna be, actually undo what I just did actually. So I'm gonna actually put this in here for if it's less than 7, and then I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna say else do this too, but then its own one of these if else's, and it's gonna do this. It's gonna do this, and then, but we're gonna just flip-flop these. Whoops. So then this one is more distinctive because mine, they are silver, like, here. Okay. Mine are silver, so now you can see them better, and they're like the opposite, so now you can actually see them. So that was just, sorry, that was my bad. Okay, so let's go back into here, and we can say if, then mouse down. Then we can say, then we're gonna change change variable cash by negative, times, and then cost times -1. And then we can make a sound, so then our player knows that they bought it. So we can get an effect, and then we can do no. We can just do a coin. You can do a different effect. That was just the only one I could find right now. Like I wasn't gonna start speaking now. But anyways, so then it's gonna do the coin, and then you can say before that, wait until not mouse down. And also where it does change, and then change the, and then we can do like some if else's here. So we can do if else, and then clone ID equals 1. Then we're gonna change the cash per click by 1. And if it's 2, we're going to change the cash per second by 1. If it's 3, I'm pretty sure we changed the cash per second by 10. If it is 4, then I'm going to have to go see what the 4 is. So the 4 is changes cash per second by 100. And then, oh, whoops, I wasn't typing there. So 100. If it is 5, then it changes the cash per click by 1,000. And change this to cash per click. If it is 6, then it changes the cash per second by 15,000. So if it is, oh whoops, it was already there. So 15,000. If it is, and it changes cash per second. And then if it is 7, it changes the cash per second by 250,000. And then if it is 8, then it's cash per second by 2 million. No wait, cash per click by 2 million. Oops. So this is going to be the cash per, if it's 8, then it's cash per click by 2 million. And then if it is 9, then it's going to change the cash per click by 100 million. So wait, 100 and then, so there. And I'm going to change that one to an if. Okay, so now let's just say when I start, I'm going to set my cash to 5 billion, or however much that is. And then, let's see, I'm going to buy this one. So, here, hold on. It's not buying it. So let me go back to here and say, let me see what's wrong. So if cash is greater than, oh, let me change this to cash is, oh. So cost times -1, and if cash is greater than cost, why isn't that working? Here, let me go see why this, let me figure out why this isn't working. So if cash is greater than cost, then it should do all of this stuff. So why isn't it doing it? So if we go back into the upgrades, I don't know what is wrong. So wait until not mouse down. Cash is greater than cost. If mouse down, I think it probably has something to do with the position. So let's change the position to be, so we can I guess show here if it's this, because it has to be on the screen for the mouse to be touching it. So let's try it now. If I click start, it should be giving me more than that though. Okay, let's see. So selected upgrade equals quantity. So maybe go to front layer. isn't that working? And then after here, let's do all this, and then we can say at the end well, actually, let's just see. Yeah, so this is okay. I think I've got it now. So we can just actually do this a different way. We can do this, and we can just change this loop up here and put the position in here after it does all this stuff. Whoops. Okay, down here after it does all this. So let's try it now. It's still not working, and I don't know why it won't let you buy it. So, okay, so I fixed the problem. I moved this, but I don't think you really have to. And so I changed it to a broadcast and wait, and now it works. So, and now it gives me more coins, more cash. And so yeah, so I think that pretty much wraps it up for this video and the clicker series. There's definitely lots of room to add on to this game, and there's a lot of stuff that you can add on and make it a lot better, and build off of this. And so yeah, I guess this is the end of the clicker series. I hope you enjoyed the series, and comment below your clicker games and I will go play them. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe, and that's gonna be it for the video. So yeah, bye.